Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this amazing apple cider vinegar rinse. And if you're not familiar with apple cider vinegar, or you're just thinking why would I put apple cider vinegar in my hair, I'm here to let you know that apple cider vinegar has so many great benefits for not only your hair but for your whole body. But I'm going to be talking more so about the hair in this video. Apple cider vinegar is packed with so many nutrients that are really great for making your hair so healthy, because it includes B vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, and because it's slightly acidic, it's also going to help to restore the natural pH of the acid mantle, which is the sebum of the hair. By applying apple cider vinegar to your hair, you're going to help to harden the outer layer of the hair, which is going to in turn flatten the cuticle, which is going to give us that nice, healthy, shiny look, and also give us that slide, which is pretty much the slip of the hair, which we really love as naturals. And it's also going to make your hair less prone to tangling and snagging. And also, apple cider vinegar has natural alpha hydroxy acids, which is going to help to exfoliate the scalp and the hair, which is going to allow for removal of the dead skin cells and also that buildup that we can get from sweating and also hair products. So this is going to help to improve the appearance of our hair. It's going to help reduce itchiness and also allow for better styling, which is a huge plus. So to get started, I'm going to be using this plastic spray bottle, some water, and make sure that your water does not have any fluoride in it, the star of this recipe, apple cider vinegar, some jojoba oil. Also, I'm going to be using rosemary essential oil and chamomile essential oil, and the chamomile smells so good. So here are all my ingredients that I'm going to be using for this rinse. So to start off, I'm going to be pouring all the ingredients into this plastic spray bottle here. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using is the apple cider vinegar, and as I've already mentioned, it has so many great benefits as listed here, so consider using it for more than just your hair, as it has other healthy benefits for your body. So to get started, I'm going to be pouring the apple cider vinegar into the spray bottle, and I chose to use a spray bottle just because I felt it would be easier for application. As I've already mentioned, apple cider vinegar is going to help to detangle, reduce frizz, add shine, reduce damaged porosity of the hair, stimulate hair growth, and also prevent hair loss, prevent split ends and breakage, also balance the hair and the sebum, and it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is why this ingredient is so important. And I know that there are many different types of apple cider vinegar out there, but not all of them serve as a benefit to your health. So in choosing an apple cider vinegar, make sure that you are getting a good one. And one way to know this is by choosing an apple cider vinegar that is organic, raw, and unfiltered. So these are going to be more cloudy. They also have a sediment in the bottom, which is known as the mother. And this contains all the healthy bacteria and enzymes that make apple cider vinegar so powerful. So do not use the clear vinegars because they don't have health benefits, because they haven't been pasteurized, and they just lose so many of the awesome benefits that we want. So I'm going to shake this apple cider vinegar up and also shake the mother in with the rest of the apple cider vinegar so I can make sure to get some of that in this mix here. And as far as measurements go, I honestly eyeballed this because I know approximately how much I need of everything. So I would say I added about 8 ounces of the apple cider vinegar, and then I diluted it with about 20 ounces of water. And you want to make sure that you are diluting your apple cider vinegar rinse, because apple cider vinegar alone is very acidic. It has a pH level of 3, whereas water is at a 7. And the acid mantle, which is your sebum, has a pH level around 5. So you just want to help balance this out, and you don't want to be too acidic or too basic for your scalp. You want that nice, healthy balance. And next, I'm going to be adding some of my favorite oil to the mix, which is jojoba oil. And I'm pouring about 4 tablespoons of this oil into the mix. And jojoba oil is so awesome because it's going to help to repair some of the damage done to hair. Also, it's going to help strengthen the hair fibers from the inside out. Also, it's going to help to hydrate the hair, add shine, elasticity, and softness. And it's also going to help encourage hair growth. And next, I'm going to be adding a couple essential oils to my hair, and I love using essential oils because they're highly concentrated and also distilled extracts of plant compounds. Also, they're organic, natural, and a simplified approach to contract manufacturing. So I'm going to be adding rosemary essential oil to the mix, and rosemary essential oil is one of my favorite oils to use in my hair because it helps to promote healthy hair growth. It also helps to strengthen circulation on the scalp, which is so important. You want to have a healthy scalp. It also helps to prevent hair loss. It helps to prevent premature graying. Also helps to prevent dandruff and a dry and itchy scalp. And I'm going to be adding 5 drops of chamomile oil, and chamomile oil is another one of my favorite essential oils just because it helps so much with my healthy hair journey. It adds shine, it also helps to soften the hair, also soothe the scalp, and it enriches hair color and radiance, which is amazing. Especially enriches hair color. This is something that I absolutely love, and many of you have asked me if I'm going to be redying my hair or if I'm just going to grow the blondes out, and I have decided I am going to grow the blondes out. I'm not 100% sure if I will re-dye it maybe a few years down the line, but as of right now I am going to let my virgin natural hair breathe and just let it be. So now that I've added all the ingredients in the mixture, I'm just going to shake it up because I do want the oil to really mix in. So when I do apply it to my hair, all of my strands are really benefiting from this mix. And not just some of it with the oil, but all of it. And I wanted to show you how I applied the rinse to my hair. So I sectioned my hair into quadrants, and from there I made subsections within the quadrants, and I sprayed the rinse to my hair that way. As I've already mentioned, I chose to use a spray bottle because I felt this way would be more convenient and easier for me to maneuver versus using an applicator bottle or just pouring the rinse to my hair from a cup. I used the wide tooth comb just to make sure that my hair was nice and detangled before I shampooed it, and also I wanted to make sure that the apple cider vinegar rinse was really penetrating my hair strands so it can give my hair all the TLC that it needs. And here's a close-up of this section, and as you can see, my curls are so defined. They're so hydrated and moisturized. This apple cider vinegar rinse definitely did justice for my hair. And here's how my hair looks after I let the rinse sit on it for about 3 minutes. And as you can see, my curls are clumped together. My hair is so hydrated, so moisturized, and there's so much sheen in my hair. It feels so good. It's not dry, dehydrated. This apple cider vinegar rinse is definitely going to be one of my staples, so I will be using it and implementing it more in my wash day routine. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!